No matter what age you are, beautifully defined abs are within reach. You can have sleek and beautiful abs in just 2 weeks. Do you believe this? In today's video, we will show you how to make it possible. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Leg raise. The hanging leg raise is an exercise targeting the abs, but which also works the lats and hip flexors. To perform this, lie on your back, legs straight and together. Keep your legs straight and lift them all the way up to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Then slowly lower your legs back down till they are just above the floor. Hold for a moment. Raise your legs back up. Perform 3 sets of 15 repetitions every day. Number 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are very good belly fat burner. These are difficult to do at first, but if you're doing these every day, you will learn to do them properly and fast. For this, lie on back with hands behind head. Lift shoulder blades off mat. Raise legs so knees are bent at 90 degrees and gaze at thighs, keeping neck relaxed. This is your starting position. Engage abs and rotate right elbow toward left knee while extending right leg to straight, lowering it as close to the floor as possible without resting it on mat. Then return to starting position. Keep on alternating sides until you have managed 10 repetitions on each, aiming for 3 sets, resting for 30 seconds to 1 minute after each set. Number 3. Plank. The plank is one of the best exercises to build your abs. This exercise works your abs, lower abs. For this, lie flat on your stomach and place your forearms on the floor. Then press down with your forearms and push yourself up using your toes as support until your head, neck, back and legs are all in a straight line. The most efficient way to practice a plank is to hold the position for a minute and resting for 10 seconds before repeating the movement at least twice more. And yes, there is another thing. For your convenience, we have created a new home workout special channel for keeping you fit. And we need your same love and support in this channel. So following the link in the description, please subscribe to our new channel and hit the notification bell. We promise you will get fit at home if you subscribe to our new channel. So why you are late? Number 4. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are also very effective for upper belly fat. To complete this exercise, lie on your back with your arms on the floor at your sides, palms facing down. Bend your knees and bring them towards your chest by contracting your abs. As they rise, roll your pelvis to lift your hips off the floor. Squeeze at the top, then slowly lower until your thighs are straight to the floor. Try to do 15 to 20 crunches every day and you will feel that burn. Number 5. Heel touches. Heel touches are an ab and oblique focused workout move. This exercise builds your core strength. To perform this, lie on a flat surface with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle, knees facing the ceiling. Keep your arms out by your sides and raise your shoulders slightly off the ground and make sure not to work your neck but instead your abs. Rotate your midsection so that one of your hands reaches your heel. Tense your abs but do not hold your breath as you do this. Instead, breathe into the movement so that oxygen flows to your muscles and use your obliques to reach out. Alternate sides and repeat for 10 times every day. Number 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength and agility. When you perform this, you work several different muscle groups. It's almost like getting a total body workout with just one exercise. To perform this exercise, start in a plank position. Try to squeeze those glutes and keep your abs pulled in. Now pull your right knee to the chest. Quickly change legs and pull your left leg to your chest. Keep alternating legs as quickly as you can. Be sure to keep your plank position and squeeze those abs and glutes. Don't drop your head to the floor either. This is a real workout, but the benefits are enormous. Repeat 25 times for each leg every day. Here we end up for today. You can really get abs in just 2 weeks following these simple exercises properly. Which exercise out of these do you find the most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.